Hey everybody, just a little bit of an update on this wall thing that I never really kind of updated on, and I just recently got, like, I just did some painting. I still got to finish up the ceiling because I'm waiting. I just got to finish this up. I've still got to tape the edges and then mud, level it out, texture it, and then I can do the ceiling paint. Now, I should be done hopefully with all this inside stuff, but all the wall paint's done, which is nice. Um, But yeah, the main reason that this is a good savings deal is that when I added that conduit in there and those wires, I've saved quite a bit of money because I've had an electrician come in. He put this in, basically goes all the way up into there, and then that, of course, is going. That's the conduit I ran all the way outside. That goes all the way out to the main electrical box. But I've got 220 for future EVs, Cybertruck, if it ever comes around. I'm not sure if I'll ever get it, but so I've got that set up and ready to go, at least for if it ever comes. And then some other power. Got getting some things kind of set up in here finally. Just things go slow sometimes, But I've got these the internet stuff redone from when I had it. Basically, doing that right. So basically, it's run. This is running all the way through here. Finally got it run. It was just kind of hanging out the last time I did the update. You can see there's a coil there. There's a little bit of a coil here, and they go up into those rooms. So those are all hooked up and ready to go. That goes all the way to the back. There's a bathroom up above that. So I had to go up into the cabinet of the bathroom, through the base of the cabinet, through the wall, and then into the closet that's over there. It's kind of convoluted, but it works. So there's internet, and then there's two more lines. One's going to here for the workstation in the garage, and then the other one will be going down into the basement to go finish off. There's one more room that doesn't have internet down there because I had already wired it for my son when we first got here. So that big room is done, but this other big room with a window, at least a conforming bedroom, doesn't have any internet, live internet or wire anyway. But yeah, so that's kind of what's going on there, and then kind of what I've got here is you can kind of see some blue tape. I got some blue tape there. I got some blue tape there. I got some blue tape over there. And that's the outline of a machine that I'm going to be getting, which is kind of the whole reason I wanted to save, kind of plan ahead while I had that hole there, is going to be getting a CNC machine. So I've got to run the electrical up along this wall and into that box. And then, of course, I've got this cable now running into here. Just testing out some Starlink, got that working. So I don't have this box set up, but this is pretty cool. This goes up into, when this is hooked up, basically this line goes all the way up and into the computer room, and then from the computer room it hooks to another box that's like this, and then that connects all the peripherals of my main computer, and then it's got all kinds of connectors on this side, which basically, the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse. If I wanted to do webcam or microphone, all that kind of stuff, headphones, then that can hook into there also. And so basically I can keep that up there nice and dust free in the computer room. And then up here and down here, I could just have, the only things I have to worry about dust is the monitor and the keyboard and the mouse. And it's got a multi-processor, so it should be able to handle, if I want to do some modeling here at the same time while it's running the machine. Should be good for that. Of course, I'll have to test that out. I don't know if I want to push that too much with running a CNC machine. If you have something hiccup, but yeah, it's such a solid machine, it doesn't really have any hiccups, but should be able to handle it if I multi-thread it right anyway. So yeah, that's kind of the update. I got most of everything on here on wheels, so it'll be moving around. I've got a 3D model that I made in the garage, kind of helped me plan out, that I'll probably add the video here. Yep, and then overall, so the total savings, apparently, according to the Electrician on the electrician front was $2,000. So that's how much I would have saved because of all the conduit that we've got that had to come around. There's a fireplace over there. It comes back around for the air conditioners. So there's like 990s. There's a couple gutters to have to worry about. It's just a lot of stuff to have to worry about when you're bringing conduit from the back side of the house all the way around. All that stuff. It adds time, it adds money, it adds conduit, it adds wire, it adds everything. So he was saying $2,000 is what I saved by planning ahead and just having that one little conduit run through there. And that conduit was $40. So it was just a matter of nasty hole in the wall, throw some conduit in there, save myself a nice chunk of change. And then I've also saved probably, I don't know how much that would have been, a couple $1,000 maybe to run 4 lines like that. I don't know what they charge for. Maybe it'd be $800 or something for $200 a drop. I don't know what they charge for that stuff anymore. But that would have cost something, you know. So it definitely saved some money by planning ahead. So just because you see a nasty hole in the wall doesn't mean it's going to be a disaster, because now I've got lights in here. I've got internet in the rooms. I've got control of computer in the garage. I've got EV capability in the garage. You know, there's just so much I added in such a little bitty time, or such with one little, what is that, $40 stretch of conduit. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for hanging out. I'll talk to you later.